I know how frustrating it can be to find the right foundation, especially for darker skin tones. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your money. Let's dive into the top 5 cream to powder foundations that work wonders for black skin.
Product number 1. Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. Using the Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette has been a game changer for me. The moment I opened it, I was struck by the rich, blendable shades that promise to enhance my natural beauty. As someone with a medium to dark complexion, I found the colors to be spot on for my skin tone. When I first applied the cream, it glided on effortlessly, allowing me to create a sculpted look without feeling heavy. The contouring shades helped define my cheekbones, while the highlighter added that perfect pop of radiance. I wore it all day, and the coverage remained intact without settling into fine lines. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the palette offers versatility. I can contour, highlight, and even use it as foundation. It's also incredibly affordable, making it accessible for anyone wanting to enhance their beauty. However, on the downside, the cream can be a bit too creamy for those who prefer a more matte finish, and it requires blending skills to avoid harsh lines. So, why should you buy it? If you're looking for a product that celebrates black beauty and offers a range of shades specifically designed for deeper skin tones, this palette is a must-have. It empowers you to experiment with your makeup.
Product number 2. Black Radiance Color Perfect Foundation Stick. The Black Radiance Color Perfect Foundation Stick has quickly become one of my go-to products. I was initially drawn to its unique design, a foundation stick on one end and a soft brush applicator on the other. This convenience is a game changer for someone like me who's always on the go. The moment I applied the stick, I was impressed by the pigment-rich formula. It glides on smoothly, allowing me to build coverage as needed, which is perfect for my fluctuating skin days. The pros? First, the dual-ended design saves time and effort. The brush blends the foundation seamlessly, creating a natural look. Plus, it's oil-free, which is a boon for those of us who tend to get shiny as the day wears on. On the flip side, the stick might feel a bit heavy for those who prefer a lighter touch, and the color selection, while good, might not cater to everyone's undertones. So, why should you buy it? If you want a versatile, high-quality foundation that adapts to your needs and complements your beautiful skin tone, the Color Perfect Foundation Stick is worth every penny. It not only simplifies your makeup routine, but also enhances your natural beauty. Product number 3. Black Radiance Pressed Powder. When I first tried the Black Radiance Pressed Powder, I was looking for something to set my makeup without adding extra weight. This product surprised me right away. The golden almond shade blended seamlessly, keeping my complexion even and radiant without the dreaded cakey look. It also excels at oil absorption, which is crucial for my T-zone. I applied it early in the morning and was impressed that it kept shine at bay throughout the day. The benefits are clear. This powder is light, finely milled, and provides a beautiful matte finish. However, the compact could use a bit more durability. I felt it was a bit flimsy. Additionally, while it comes with a sponge, I found a brush gave a better application. Why buy this product? If you're in the market for an affordable, high-quality pressed powder that maintains your makeup and reduces shine, this is the product for you. It's perfect for those who want a natural look and easy touch-ups throughout the day. Product number 4. Black Radiance True Complexion Soft Focus Finishing Powder. The Black Radiance True Complexion Soft Focus Finishing Powder has been a delightful addition to my makeup routine. Upon opening, I noticed the silky texture of the milk chocolate finish powder. It feels lightweight on the skin and blends beautifully, making it perfect for setting my makeup. What I love most is its ability to diffuse imperfections and soften the look of fine lines, giving a smooth, polished finish. I used it over my foundation, and it provided that soft focus effect I've always craved. Pros include its ability to minimize shine and enhance my complexion without looking overly matte. The only con I found was that it can sometimes settle into my smile lines if I apply too much, so a light hand is key. So, why should you buy it? If you're looking for a soft, flawless finish that enhances your natural beauty, this finishing powder is a must-try. It's especially great for anyone wanting to elevate their makeup game without breaking the bank. Product number 5. Cream to Powder Foundation by Flori Roberts. I was eager to try the Cream to Powder Foundation by Flori Roberts because I've heard so much about its full coverage capabilities. The first time I used it, I was amazed at how easily it transformed from cream to powder upon application. The russet shade matched my skin tone perfectly, and the coverage was impressive, hiding imperfections and evening out my complexion beautifully. It provided a matte finish without making my skin feel dry, which is often a struggle with powder foundations. On the plus side, the formula includes skin-loving ingredients like vitamin A and E, which kept my skin hydrated throughout the day. However, one downside is the price point, as it's higher than some drugstore options, but the quality justifies the cost. Why buy this product? If you're searching for a luxurious foundation that combines full coverage with a natural finish, this is the one for you. It's perfect for anyone wanting to feel confident in their skin, knowing they look flawless and radiant all day long.